Let's go through an example to demonstrate the process of adding a new media folder. It's important to select a media folder that has the correct internal structure, or your media may not be available to populate the playlist. In order for a Vidjam to display the directory tags in the 4 media panels, all media folders must have this folder structure: media folder, themes, video collections, and inside those video collections resides the media itself. Media outside the collection folders will be ignored by Vidjam. Use the Add button to add a new media folder, or you can use the Media tab in Preferences. The Preferences area also allows you to remove existing media folders, reset the database, perform scans, and set up defaults. For this test, let's add a folder from Preferences and decline to add directories automatically. Instead, let's select the new media folder manually in the Media Folders panel. After selection, the theme folders contained in the media folder appear in the Themes panel below. Select a few themes to populate the Video Collections panel. Now we can select the collections, and the media inside them will appear in the playlist. To apply the playlist changes, click the check mark.